Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Little Lake Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 9 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., an area strong thunderstorm was located over Great Egg Reef, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Buoy 2FB, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, Great Egg Inlet, Garden State South Reef, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, Beach Haven, The Lub, North Beach Haven, 28-mile wreck, Little Egg Inlet.